So it's been 5 months since OnePlus announced their OnePlus 8 and OnePlus 8 Pro, and now it seems like their first arrival of T series of 2020 is just launching really soon. Yes, OnePlus 8T is about to launch really soon, and today all of the specs for OnePlus 8T has been leaked via pricebaba.com with our tipster OnLeaks. Now let's kick off things with design first, as we also have full high resolution renders and 360 renders of OnePlus 8T. Now at the front side, which you might be familiar already with, we have a single punch hole selfie camera at the top left corner. We have the same design as of OnePlus 8 series except that bottom chin, which has been reduced a little bit. Other than that, it is fully OnePlus 8 series design. Now things change at the rear side, where we can see a rectangular shaped camera module which seems more like of Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra camera setup, but with some different arrangement of sensors. The finishing at the back side of OnePlus 8T gives a metallic look, but I think this won't happen and there are more chances for plastic back. Let's talk about the specs. The front of the phone has 6.55 inches display with full HD plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. This is an upgrade over the OnePlus 8, which features a 90Hz display. This is also clear that OnePlus 8T is having flat display. The punch hole camera is of 32 megapixel, which is a huge upgrade from the 16 megapixel sensors of recent OnePlus 8 series. Now at the rear side, OnePlus 8T is having quad camera setup, which includes a 48 megapixel primary shooter, 16 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, 5 megapixel macro and 2 megapixel portrait sensors. OnePlus 8T will be powered up by Snapdragon 865, and we will see the plus version of this SoC in OnePlus 8T Pro. There were few rumors that this year OnePlus might not launch the 8T Pro, but that was wrong, as we have seen the strings of OnePlus 8T Pro on official OnePlus website. There will be 4500 mAh of battery with 65 watts of fast charging. That is super impressive. As for the RAM and storage variants, there are two we can confirm as of now: 8GB plus 128GB and 12GB RAM with 256GB internal storage. Other than that, there will be a Type-C charging port, no audio jack, and this beautiful green color has been confirmed for now. We might see some other color options also. OnePlus might launch it at the end of September or in first week of October. So that ends up here. Let me know your thoughts on this OnePlus 8T, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.